In this particular example, we do again have to start with distributive property. On the left, it's not quite clear what you're supposed to distribute, but we did cover this last week. There is an invisible 1. So when you distribute on the left, you're distributing a -1, not a 15. Please make sure you are only distributing into the parentheses. Do not do anything to the 2x, do not do anything to the 15, and don't cross the equal sign with that. On the right side, we also have parentheses, which means we also have distributive property here, this time with a 2. So let's start by calculating all that. The 15 has not changed. -1 times x is -1x, -1 times 3 is -3, and we still have a plus 2x there. Remember, when we multiply and we say things are negative or positive, we write them with minus signs or plus signs for the next line of work. On this side, the 7x has not changed, but I am distributing the 2. 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times -1 is -2, so -2. At this point, both sides of the equation contain like terms that need to be combined. On the left, I have 15 and 3 are both constants. I also have -1x and positive 2x that are variables. On the right side, I have 7x and 6x that both have variables. So, when we combine our like terms, just keep in mind we got to simplify the left and the right separately. So 15 minus 3 to give me 12. -1x plus 2x is positive 1x. Then we simplify the other side. 7x plus 6x is 13x. And we still have a -2 at the end. Now that we've done the distributive property, now that we've combined our like terms, we have a regular variables on both sides equation. Nothing to simplify, no extra steps. We just now need to get all the x's together in one place. So, you could, and you have 4 different options. You could subtract 1x, you could subtract 13x, you could subtract 12, you could add 2. It does not matter which piece you do first, but I did say that for this class, we're always going to, in the examples, move the variables to the left. So, positive 13x will be removed with a negative or minus 13x. 13x minus 13x is 0. It is gone. It is now on the left. 12 has not changed. 1x minus 13x is negative 12x. And it does still equal -2. It's now a two-step equation. Let's get rid of the constant first by subtracting 12. 12 minus 12 makes 0. Please do not forget that because it said minus 12x here, it is still a negative 12x in the next line. -2 minus 12 is -14. Now that it's a one-step equation, we will divide by -12 to cancel our coefficient. -12 divided by -12 makes 1, so I have 1x, or just x, which is exactly what I want. -14 divided by -12, this does not go in evenly, but we can reduce this. First of all, a negative divided by a negative would make a positive. And then 14 over 12 can be reduced. 2 goes into both of these, making this a positive 7 over 6.